Heather with Activa, and today we're going to talk about the thermostat in your home, the Trane thermostat. This thermostat is a fully programmable thermostat. However, to utilize it to its full potential, you will want to connect it to internet and set it up on your home's computer prior to first initial use. The thermostat display shows you the temperature, humidity, and ventilations for your home. The system info at the top of the screen provides you with alerts and notifications surrounding your thermostat. When setting your desired temperature settings, you have three options: heat, cool, auto. When setting the heating and cooling for your home, it is recommended that you use the exact functions. For example, when you want it heated to 22 degrees, you want to use the heat function. When you want cooler temperatures, you use the cool button. The builder recommends the heating and cooling of your home to be between 20 and 22 degrees Celsius. Please note, the heat and cool may fluctuate in your home due to the distance from the heat run, large windows, large doors, etc. Auto is not recommended to use in Canada due to the fluctuations in the weather that we can have. If you own a net zero ready home with a heat pump, the default setting for this is 0 degrees. What this means is any temperature outside that is 0 and above will automatically use your electric heat. Any temperatures outside below 0 will switch to your gas furnace. Should you wish to change this default, please contact Priority Mechanical directly. There is also an emergency heat button where you can switch back to gas on demand. The Trane thermostat also helps you to monitor the humidity levels in your home. The builder recommends maintaining a humidity level between 30 and 50%. You can access the humidity setting on the main screen and adjust your set values as needed. Note, there will always be a 5% variable between heat and cool, but that sweet spot you want to hit should be 40% for the relative humidity levels in your home. The ventilation option is connected to the ERV machine in your home. This system is automated to balance fresh air versus stale air and can be ran all day, every day. The auto setting is preferred for 15 minutes on, 45 minutes off every hour for everyday use. Should you have a party, do a lot of cooking, or just want to exchange the air in your home, you can use the quick function. This setting will completely exchange the air in your home in 60 minutes and revert to your original setting. Your thermostat also shows the outside temperatures. Should you find that the thermostat isn't working to its full potential, please ensure that there are fresh batteries. You can also find the manual for this thermostat located on the furnace inside the pocket in your utility room.